Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant shares important updates. Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant holds a review meeting of Cluster Development Plan for Atmanirbhar Bharat Swayambhurna Goa under the scheme of Fund for Regeneration of Traditional Industries by the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises on 15th October 2020. CM informed that clusters will be developed which will lead to employment generation, revenue enhancement and sustainable economy by promoting local artisans, farmers, self-help groups, etc. by providing them common facility centers to facilitate processing of agricultural and other produce. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant also extended his greetings on World Food Day. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant appreciated farmers for their unparalleled contribution towards making our state hunger-free. CM took to social media and said the following: "During the coronavirus pandemic period, our state government has provided cooked food and dry ration to over 1.86 lakh needy persons. On the occasion of the World Food Day, let us appreciate our farmers for their unparalleled contribution towards making our state hunger-free." Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.